Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am here to discuss about my presentation. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Sherjan. So let's come to the topic and wasting of time. Today my topic is making Pakistan green. Actually, I have divided to my topic into 2 points. They are, the first one is point is for what making Pakistan green is essential, and the second point is which benefit will provide the public of Pakistan when country will making green. So firstly, I will come to my first point. In my first point, I will mention the character of our government department. In fact, you can see if the government wanted to making Pakistan green, then it is possible, otherwise it is not. If the government take the position and issue this policy, then public will automatically follow it, then Pakistan will making progress. And next, I will come to my second point, that was which benefit will provide the public of Pakistan when country will making green. So the benefit of making Pakistan green, I noticed you already in my first point, but such as Pakistan will progress day by day, and the especially benefit is that the rate of greenhouse effecting is reduced, which is essential for human health.